discussing a new concept in our biology syllabus. So, everyone, we observe some changes mostly at a one stage of our life. So, what the changes? Anybody can you guess? From when you are born from until the death, our life is divided into the some stages. The first stage is infant stage. So what is mean by infant? When this stage is started, anybody can you know the answer? Infant stage. So in Telugu what we call chanti biddalu antam. Okay. So infant stage is nothing but of newborn. The stage is started from the newborn up to the 2 years. Up to 2 years. So the lifespan when we are coming from your mother's womb and up to the 2 years. So our stage what we call infant stage. So in the infant stage what we can see that we see the some growth. So what do you mean? What do you know about of a growth? A growth is nothing but of a permanent change in the size of the body. Growth is nothing but of a permanent is nothing but of a growth. Permanent change in the size of a body. Are also called as a permanent change in a size of a body, are also called as a increase. Increase the number of growth. So when our life is started, we can see our growth. So our life is started from a single cell. Am I right or not? Yes. So this cell can multiply its number. It converted into the zygote is converted into embryo. Embryo is converted into the fetus. After the mother can give the birth to the baby. So when you are observed in every stage, we can see the growth. So what is mean by growth? Permanent change in the size of a body or increase the number or mass of a body is known as a growth. Okay, so when our growth is started from children stage or adolescent or infant stage, our growth is started from the infant stage. After the infant stage, after we will get the childhood stage. What is the next stage? Childhood stage. So this childhood stage is started from 2 years to 10 years. Okay, 2 to 10 years. The gap we call it as a childhood stage. After the childhood stage, what is the next stage? Adolescent stage. Adolescent stage. See that some body changes only increase the bones. Okay, the development of the organs. But we are also see the some changes mostly in the physically and mentally. A lot of changes or vigorous changes we may observe in the adolescent stage. Are you understand, students? Adolescent stage is a crucial stage in our life because it is an emotional stage. Okay, when you are taking one decision at that time it is a correct. After if you face any some difficulties, so why I think like that? Why I will do that? You are the questioning stage also. So this stage where everybody we must be take the guidance from our parents, from our elders, from our teachers. So while a lot of changes will be takes place, for these all changes mostly the hormones. So what is the hormone? What is the hormone? Hormone is a chemical substances. Hormone is a chemical substances. These hormones are also released from infant stage. But a special hormone is released in our body. That is what is the hormone? Sex hormones. In our body, two type of hormones are there in our body. Two type of hormones are there. So first hormone is a growth hormones. Okay. And the second hormones are sex hormones. These sex hormones are responsible for development of the reproductive organs. Development of the reproductive organs. So in our body, every male have a male reproductive system, female have a female reproductive system. The male reproductive system consists of a male reproductive organ. We already listened, we already explained, we already discussed in the previous chapter reproduction in animals. So these reproductive organs are functionally active in the adolescent stage. Okay, now due to the releasing of a sex hormones, we see that some characters mentally and physically both are we are observed. What are the physical changes we may see? What are the changes we may see in female body? What we are observed? Breast development, egg cells are released from the reproductive organs. Egg cells are released from the reproductive organs, and after pelvic region also increased below the belly button region, so that region is enlarged or increased. So why they are so? What are the changes we may observe in the adolescent stage? So mostly we may observe the physical changes. For physical changes, who is the responsible? Sex hormones. Okay, we may observe. Once listen, our life is started from a single cell. At the time of fertilization, the sperm cell is fused with a mother egg cell. After it converted into the zygote. The zygote is converted into the embryo. After embryo converted into the baby. So this baby is coming from your mother's womb. So this baby, when they are growing, it becomes to the children's. These are children's. After the stage is called as a adolescent stage. What is the stage? Adolescent stage. So what are the in the picture? What you have observed? The differences majorly. What are the changes you may notice in this figure? So mostly the small kids are despite the time with our grandparents and at the children's stage. After coming to the school, everything you have to discuss with your parents only. But when you are coming to the adolescent stage or teenage, so you spend more time with your friends. Okay, to maintain some gap with our parents. At the same way, we are given to the more appliance to your physical body. Okay, that means you are more spent time in front of the mirrors. Always you are tried, you are able to looking as an angel or beautiful. Okay, so these are, and sometimes you are worried about of the pimples and acnes. In the stage, pimples and acnes also you may notice. Am I right or not? Yes. So what are the pimples? What do you know about of the pimples? How the pimples are arranged? Anybody, can you get a curiosity?
Yes, madam.
Yes. So the pimples actually in our skin pores, when you are not wash the face properly, you are not able to wash your face properly. Some sebum is one of the oil is there. Okay, now in our skin consists of two major glands are there. One is a sweat glands, second one is a sebaceous glands.
What is the features of sweat glands?
Sweat glands are released in the sweat. It consists of a water and salts. Okay, in our body, some salts and excess amount of a water, our body sent to the outside. Okay, and sebaceous glands are nothing but of a oil glands. So based on the production of a sebaceous glands, our body skin will be divided into the oily skin, normal skin, dry skin. Only we can given the categories based on the production of a sebaceous glands. These glands are very active in the adolescent stage. You can do the bathing both morning and evening, but from your body some bad odor will become because of these sweat glands and sebaceous glands are they can secrete their products as very high much. Okay now, and not the pimples one of the reason you are not do the face wash properly, and this time who can take more pressure, so the pimples are also come. So for pressure indication also pimples are coming to that. And in this way how can, so most of the students or most of the youngers who are coming to the adolescent stage, they are worried about of the pimples and ants. So what type of precautions we have to take to reduce the pimples? Okay, wash your face thoroughly with a mild water when you are using to the mild soaps. Mild soaps. So nowadays, how can we say that it is a mild soap?
What is the mild water?
Yes. When you are purchase any soap, so after when you are back side of the wrapper, TFM value is there. The TFM value is more than 75% or nearly 80%. So that is a good soap for your skin. And better to choose based on your skin, that is oil or dry skin or a normal skin. You have to select the soap which is better for your skin tone. Okay, nowadays lot of products are available, no? So when you are buying, when you are purchasing of any soap, first you can notice the TFM value. The TFM value is more than 75%, more than 80%. It's somewhat good. All soaps are not perfect to your skin. Okay, now based on your skin type, you have to select the best soap. The mild soap is nothing but the TFM value is more than 80%, 85%. That is a good soap. So when you are purchasing the market, first you have to take care about of that. Okay now. And you can better to drink a plenty of water. Why I suggested a plenty of water? Okay, our body, it is a good, our body continuously send the waste material to outside time to time. Okay, our body send the waste material time to time. So if you drink the water, the waste materials are sent to outside. So excess amount of water, it can eliminate the excess amount of oil also. Okay now. So that's why you can drink a plenty of water. So you can take a good quantity of water for your skin. So your body, for example, you can see my body, I am not take the water properly. So when I am take my skin like that, it will be felt out easily, no. So my body is a dehydrated body. But when you are observed, they have a hydrated body. So once you can, so when I am taking my skin, it is easily moving means, okay, easily felt out means it is a dehydrated. But hydrated body it not be like that. Okay now. So it is a first sign. Okay, not only that, you are not able to drink the water properly from around your nails. Some amount of skin also will be removed. It is also a good sign. Okay, then your health mostly exhibited by your skin health and your nails and your eyes. So based on that, every doctor diagnosed your problem. Okay now. So sometimes on your nails, some white scratches will be coming. On that time, what is that? What will happen? You are deficiency by particular vitamin. Okay now. When you are observed your eyes, they are very pale. You are suffered to the anemic. Okay now. Your skin is it will be pale. Okay, you are suffered to be anemia. You get worried. It is also indicated. It is also sign for a anemia. You are not be focused. You are not be concentrated. In your body, hemoglobin level is very, very less. Okay.
What is menstruation period?
Menstruation. Okay. So menstruation is nothing but when the girl reaches to the adolescent stage, every month. Okay, the female reproductive system release one egg cell. Okay, every female when reach to the adolescent stage, they release one egg cell per a month. Okay, after they release 1 to 14 days, it is takes to the development of a egg. Development of a egg cell. So we call as this stage we call as a proliferate stage. Proliferate stage. After 15 to 21 days, in this third week of the month, egg cell may removed from or released from the ovary. Release of your egg cell from the ovary we called as a ovulation. We called as a ovulation. In this week, egg cell will be fertilized with the sperm. The pregnancy and the woman get a pregnancy. Or otherwise egg will not be fertilized. At the fourth week of the month, egg cell will be coming to the outside. Okay, we can break the blood capillaries in the uterus of a female reproductive system. The unfertilized egg, along with some amount of the blood, they are eliminated, they are removed, they are released from our female reproductive system. So the procedure what we call menstruation. It is happened 3 to 5 days. 3 to 5 days, most of the women. But somebody they have a hormone imbalance, so it will be continued to the not only 5 days, it will be extended to the 7 days also. It will be extended to 7 days also. 3 to 7 days or most of that 90% 3 to 5 days. Okay now. And 3 to 7 days is a 5%. And somebody they only since the menstruation 3 days only, that is 0.2%.
Audio Jungle.